Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a PDF editor that I developed which runs entirely in the browser. It's a static application which doesn't require any server. We have built it inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you can see that we are running it on locally and we have this interface open PDF. So here if you simply click this button you will be able to select the PDF file that you are editing. So this is the first page. You can actually navigate. It is showing the page 1 of 2. You can click the next page to go to the next page right here, and then we have these controls out there. You can directly click on the PDF text right here and you will be able to edit the PDF text. So you can see it very easily. Adobe Acrobat functionality, you are getting it in the browser. You will be easily able to edit the PDF file directly. You can change this. Hello world, this is a sample PDF file. You can see we can directly change the text very easily. We can remove the text as well. And after we modify, we also have the button to actually add images, third-party images. If you have some images that you want to add, you can add this. So you can see the image. You can place this as a watermark image. You can control the sizing of this image. Just place it at the center of the page, and then we also have zoom out functionality, zoom in functionality as well. You can see that. Simply change it, you will see. Just add the image, whichever image. So after you modify the changes, you simply click this save PDF button. So what it will do, it will actually save these changes. You can see my changes have been reflected in the output file here. So it's a simple PDF editor guys which runs in the browser. It's also PDF renderer. You can easily read your files. At the same time you can even edit this. Just click on the element and you can add some more text. You can see that. So after you modify the changes, you simply click this save PDF button. So you can see your changes will be saved. And for building this application guys, I am using third-party open source packages of JavaScript. So the link is given in the description. If you need the full source code of this application, the link is given in the description. So after purchasing the source code, you will get this zip file from Google Drive automatically. This will contain these two files, the HTML file and the JavaScript file. So this is your HTML file. For this we are using Mozilla PDF.js, jsPDF and Html2Canvas. So if you don't know about these libraries, let me show you. Mozilla PDF.js, which is a PDF renderer library for actually rendering the PDF files directly in the browser. And then we are using the jsPDF library, which is used to generate PDF files right in the browser itself. And then we are also using Html2Canvas, which actually is a library for taking screenshots programmatically using JavaScript directly in the browser. So if you want to take some screenshot of a DOM element, you use this Html2Canvas library. So we are using these three libraries to build this. So this is your JavaScript file right here. If you see, this is almost, if you see, 1000, you can see over 1000 lines of code is there. You will get everything. If you are a developer, you can even extend this PDF editor to add additional features as well. So it's a nice project. If you are a developer looking for a job, it will be a nice little practical project, which is a full PDF editor. You can actually purchase this project and apply for a job. You can have a resume if you are a college going student. Then also it's a great little project that you can purchase it. The link is given in the description guys. And after purchasing it, it's very easy to directly run in the browser. You need a simple VS Code extension. You can also deploy this as well. Just right click serve this project locally. So you will see that the application will open locally right here. Then you whatever select your PDF file, whichever PDF file you want to select, and then of all these options, we can add text, we can add images. So after that we click save PDF, you will see the changes will reflected back. So thank you very much guys for watching this. If you're interested, the link is given, you can directly purchase it. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.